In this session, we are going to look at journal entries in Rascal Management. Journal entries relate to your normal journals that you would create to record transactions in the system. To do this, we go to Accounting and then Journal Entries. You have a list of all your previous journals, and then I will click Create to record a new one. I will do two journals in this session just to show you, I would say, an easy journal and a more advanced journal. Let's start with the easy journal, which is recording, for example, the bank opening balance in the beginning of 2020. Then the number field will be left empty because the system will generate it automatically. And then the date, because we said it's an opening balance, I will put in December 2019. And then I get a notification or a message saying that this period that I selected is from a previous year. Okay, then I will put just a note. As you can see in these journals, I don't need to actually open the journal. I can just see from the note what this journal is about. So my note will be December 2019 closing balance bank. Okay, and then I'll click add. So now this account, first account that appears here is your main account, basically the account you're dealing with. So then here I will select my main bank account because I want to record the bank's opening balance. Then the debit and credit column relates to this account. So this is where I'll put whether it's a debit or a credit in this account. Because my bank account had a favorable opening balance, I will put debit, for example, 100,000. Now, because I have a debit, I also need to have a credit. So I will inform the system which account it has to credit by selecting here the contra account. I have an account for opening balances, as you can see here. Okay, that's basically it. We have a few more columns here. If you scroll to your right, let's say, for example, you want to add here bank opening balance. And then that's it. If you, for example, had something else, let's say you wanted to add your petty cash opening balance. Okay, so I would just click add until I finish all my accounts. But because we said this is just bank, I will delete this one. And then I would post. I will just post because I want to show you what happens to your general journal. But when you're done, you can just click post and close. So if I go to your general journal, you are able to see that the system debited your main bank account with 100,000 and it credited your opening balance account with 100,000. And that's it for your journal. You now have it here.